Hi everybody. Here's another scene from the pirate movie with the Kinder Surprise egg as an eyeball. I'm gonna unwrap my eyeball right now on screen. Are you ready? Here we go. Here we go. I gotta pop it out right now. Oh. There it is. It's a Marvel version.
The funny thing is the expression on Zoe's face in the bottom there. She's like, what the heck just happened?
And then afterwards, everyone's gonna taste my eyeball.
Okay, that's nasty. I don't want to think about
It's chocolatey. It's got a rich chocolatey flavor.
Look at Zoe.
You guys are gonna enjoy it. And then I think you're gonna ask for some more. But I need at least one eyeball.
Yeah, look at Zoe's.
Sorry, Spider-Man.
He just ripped him in half.
Usually he's not that easy to defeat. And then look at this. Look at this, Zoe. See, my eyeball has a surprise in it.
Wow, that's a different Kinder Surprise. It doesn't have the white inside.
Who wants to taste this?
Don't have the white.
Where's the white? It doesn't have the white inside.
Nope, only the girls' ones do.
Oh,
I'm gonna
try it.
self-cannibalism.
Eating his own eyeball. That sounds great. That's the taste without the white.
Without the white eyeball?
How does it taste? My eye.
No,
Just kidding. I'm just opening my first Kinder Surprise.
How's that taste?
We
could have a bite.
Hi guys, I'm new. Yeah. Hi guys, we have a new member of the cast
Here.
today. Her name is Gabrielle.
Here, Bree.
It's her first time on the
Have
show,
some
so
eyeball.
please try it. The show was welcome. And comment down below whether or not you like her.
Zoe's like, I wish I could have some of that.
Bunch.
Okay, who's gonna open this though?
Me. I will.
Okay, let's see what toy came in it.
Should I? You wanna have a bite?
No, I kind of missed the white part inside. Okay, what is
And
it?
we got Spider-Man.
We've
We've gotten that Spider-Man before, haven't we?
We have him already. Now can I open mine?
Okay, open yours.
Yeah, I got.
Oh, you got a surprise.
Who is this guy? I never remember his name. He has powers. What? It shows him with lightning around his arm.
Yes, he has powers.
You'd like to think he has powers.
Let's see. Well, Spider-Man. Oh, Spider-Man.
Who is this guy?
Oh no,
He's not recognizable.
Yes. What is his name?
What is his name?
What
Okay,
is
take
this
him out of-
man's
take him-
name? What is any of our names?
I don't recognize this guy.
To be or not.
Are you saying he's not a real superhero?
He is. I just remember him. I don't know his name. He's in Mini Marbles. I just don't know his name.
I don't know. No, it's okay.
Here, can I have this?
Crack him open. Does it tell you who he is?
No, but that's him right there. Shows him.
Huh. Is it all surrounding Spider-Man?
Babe, just rip the
Most
tab,
of it is
huh?
Spider-Man.
There you go.
There we go.
You're an engineer.
My eye grew back.
What does he do? Is he a key? He's a necklace?
He's a keychain. Keychain. Here.
Fear me.
Let's see them.
I like him. He's
Can
pretty
they
cool.
can they
I
have
like
a
him
battle?
Yeah, they can have a battle.
Kick.
Spider-Man.
Kick him down.
Crouching form. Permanent.
Hey, aren't you supposed to monologue?
And Spider-Man kicks the man in the face
Oh.
and defeats him.
Wait a minute. Is he
Do you think
Take my blue fist of fury.
Spider-Man quickly dodges, but it doesn't work.
It's so important.
I don't think Spider-Man can dodge these fists of fury.
Spider-Man makes him trip with his web.
Wait, I'm flying.
Wait, what is that guy
I
supposed to be? Is
died.
he like Iceman?
No. He's
He's
I
like
know his name, but I
Cyclops.
Did you turn him
don't.
around?
No. Yeah,
What
I
is the
remember
blue?
him.
But what's
He
the
looks
blue? Isn't
like-
that ice?
No, that's his powers.
Electricity?
No,
Here,
he
let's
has.
zoom him up
electricity.
so
That's
they can
usually
see.
cool.
Oh,
blue
Charlotte.
powers.
He's
Who is he, guys?
Is he one of the Fantastic Four? No, not one of the Fantastic Four.
He
The
works alone.
okay.
Is he a villain?
Comment down
I
below
don't think
if you
he's
know
a
Wait,
who
no, I
this
think
guy
he's
is.
from X-Men.
Yes, that's what I'm thinking. I think he's one of the people from X-Men, right? Not Wolverine, but like one of those people who have powers. Not Xavier either.
I don't recognize him
I know, right?
because he looks like he can.
He's a mutant.
Yeah, they're all Spider-Man guys, like the lizard, and don't recognize that other guy.
is. I don't remember him.
No,
so
look, remember that guy was
Spider-Man.
the guy. Extra power bomb, Michaela. That guy's like, what's his name?
Nerd
again?
alert,
He's like
nerd,
something.
nerd alert.
Oh no, that guy is what's his name? That guy.
I think he's part of.
He is an X-Men. Yeah.
Okay, so did you guys figure out this guy? Who is he?
No. Oh, wait, okay, I'll get my mini Marvel
Babes,
book
who
and
is
I'll
he?
tell.
I don't. He reminds me of a villain I remember seeing with electricity, but
Villain with a
but this guy had
So he is a
this
villain,
headband.
right?
Oh yeah,
With,
that's
yellow.
Cyclops. Cyclops.
That's Cyclops?
No,
Cyclops.
this isn't
If he has
Cyclops.
a yellow headband around his eyes, that's Cyclops.
No, it's not a yellow band around his eyes.
Okay, you guys gotta find out who he is.
Comment down below what you think this guy's name is.
Why does
Let
Spider...
us know where he's from
I don't know where my
and
phone
what.
went.
And which universe he's from. Let us know where he's from, which universe he's from, and what his name is.
What do you mean?
Because
It's a Marvel universe.
are you sure?
Wait.
So tell us where he's from
Wait,
and
there he is. I think.
what's his
Oh,
name.
that's Cyclops.
Wait, no, that's
'Cause-
not.
Yeah,
Oh, you got the book.
interesting.
Okay, yes. I was
Oh
gonna
my
get
gosh,
the book.
now she gets out the book.
But can you grab my?
He's somewhere in the end.
Can you grab my phone?
Yeah.
I know.
We'll see who can find him faster.
I think I know who he looks
Do
like.
me a favor, Sharba.
Yes, Mama?
Oh,
2, 1, go. Made it all the way through the book. Through the book.
oh my God. How was that?
That's good. Here, okay, I have to find out where that guy is.
I think he's on the front though.
Guys,
He's not though. Isn't he somewhere in here? Oh,
I think I know who he reminds you of. Wait, is that Red Hulk?
Wait, so what are these? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to join the tribe. Subscribe.